Have you ever experienced a sudden, sharp pain in your lower back or side that comes in waves and feels so intense you can hardly move? That unbearable pain could be a kidney stone, and although these stones are often very small in size, the pain they bring is massive. Kidney stones are hard deposits of minerals and salts that form inside the kidneys when waste builds up and urine becomes too concentrated. They can block urine flow, cause severe pain, and even lead to infections or kidney damage if ignored. Studies suggest that 1 in 10 people will have a kidney stone at some point in life, which makes it a surprisingly common problem. But here's the good news. Nature has already given us 2 simple, refreshing fruits that can prevent, reduce, and even help eliminate kidney stones: lemon and watermelon. Lemons are packed with citric acid, which is the most powerful natural defense against kidney stones. Citric acid prevents calcium from combining with other minerals, reduces the chances of crystals forming, and even helps break down small stones so they can pass more easily. When you drink lemon water regularly, your body increases citrate levels in the urine, which research has shown significantly lowers the risk of stones forming again. In fact, a study in the Journal of Urology revealed that people who drank lemon juice daily had nearly a 60% lower risk of kidney stones returning. On the other hand, watermelon is over 90% water, making it one of the best hydrators for your body. Staying hydrated is absolutely critical for kidney health, because when your urine is diluted, it becomes harder for minerals to stick together and form stones. Watermelon not only hydrates but also provides potassium, which balances acid levels in urine and prevents certain types of stones, especially calcium oxalate stones, the most common kind. In simple words, lemon works by dissolving stones and blocking new ones, while watermelon acts like a natural flushing system to wash out waste and prevent stone buildup. Together, they create a powerful kidney detox solution that is both natural and delicious. You can use them easily in your daily routine. Just squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it in the morning to increase urinary citrate. Or make a refreshing detox drink by blending 2 cups of watermelon with the juice of 1 lemon for a hydrating, stone-fighting beverage. Watermelon juice itself is another excellent option, especially during the hot summer months when dehydration makes kidney stones much more likely. But how do you know if you might already have kidney stones? Common warning signs include sharp pain in the back, side, or lower abdomen, pain that comes in waves, blood in the urine, frequent urge to urinate, and nausea or vomiting. If you ever experience these symptoms, don't ignore them because untreated kidney stones can cause complications. While natural remedies are highly effective for prevention and for dealing with small stones, very large stones may require medical treatment. Still, adding lemon and watermelon to your diet is one of the safest and most effective ways to protect your kidneys naturally. Of course, there are some precautions to keep in mind. If you have chronic kidney disease, diabetes, or very low blood pressure, you should consult your doctor before dramatically increasing citrus or watermelon intake. Watermelon contains natural sugars, so people with diabetes need to enjoy it in moderation. But for most people, these fruits are safe and bring enormous health benefits. To understand how important this is, let's look at some numbers. Kidney stones affect more than 12% of men and about 6% of women worldwide. People who drink less than 1 liter of water a day are twice as likely to form stones compared to those who stay hydrated. Adding just half a cup of lemon juice daily can cut the risk of stone formation by as much as 40%. In hot regions like Pakistan, India, and the Middle East, kidney stone cases can triple in summer because dehydration is so common. This makes watermelon, which is both hydrating and refreshing, an ideal summer fruit for kidney protection. Along with lemon and watermelon, other fruits can also play a supportive role in kidney health. Oranges, for example, also contain citrate and reduce stone risk. Pineapples are anti-inflammatory and hydrating, and cranberries are excellent for preventing urinary tract infections that sometimes lead to stones. But when it comes to directly dissolving and flushing stones, lemon and watermelon remain the top choice. They are inexpensive, easily available, and most importantly, completely natural. Kidney stones may be tiny, but their pain is unforgettable. And instead of waiting until you are doubled over in agony, you can take control today by making small lifestyle changes. Remember this simple formula: lemon plus watermelon equals kidney stone defense. Drink lemon water daily to increase citrate levels and dissolve stones. Eat or juice watermelon regularly to stay hydrated and flush waste. And make sure you drink plenty of water overall to keep your kidneys functioning at their best. Prevention is always better than cure, and when your kidneys are healthy, your entire body feels healthier. So, the next time you see a lemon or a watermelon in your kitchen, don't underestimate them. They are not just fruits, they are natural medicines for your kidneys. If you've ever had a kidney stone or know someone struggling with them, share your story in the comments because your experience may help someone else. And if this video gave you useful information, don't forget to like, subscribe to Health Hub, and share it with your friends and family. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and take care of your kidneys. Because these two small organs do one of the biggest jobs in your body, and with lemon and watermelon by your side, you can keep them strong, clean, and pain-free.